India is a charming country of rich architectural beauty, culture, tradition, and historical past. Being ornamented with historical monuments, it has a majestic past of Mughals and British that speaks of the history. In each destination of India, travelers can come across a museum that displays the magnificent past of the region. And no tour to India is complete without paying a visit to a museum of the city that reflect the culture and historical of ancient India in a most beautiful way. There are many popular museums in India that unfold lot of unheard truth of a bygone era. So let's start. Number 1. National Museum, Delhi. One of the largest museums of India, National Museum has diverse articles from the magnificent ancient era. It was constructed in 1949 off the corner of Janpath in the lively city of Delhi. It is the best place to visit as one who gets to know about the luxurious coaches of train which were a long time back used by the great kings. It houses a variety of collections that includes jewelry, painting, armor, decorative arts and manuscripts. There is also a Buddhist section where one can find head of a Buddha statue and Buddha stupa having a remnant of Gautama Buddha constructed in 3rd century BCE by sovereign Ashoka. Number 2. Indian Museum, Kolkata. Established in 1814 by Asiatic Society of Bengal in Kolkata, Indian Museum has a unique collection of armors, skeletons, Mughal painting and ornaments. It possesses 6 sections containing 5 galleries of creative and scientific work of art that is an archaeological, geological, economic beauty and art. Being one of the oldest museums in the globe, it is one of the most sought after place of India that one must not give a miss of holiday in Kolkata. Number 3. Government Museum, Chennai. Also hailed as Madras Museum, Government Museum is positioned in Egmore, which is one among the busiest spots of Chennai. It was established in 1851 and exhibits different varieties pertaining to geology, zoology, anthropology and botany. The museum has excellent section showcasing the main South Indian time encompassing Chalukya, Chola and Vijayanagar. There are separate sections for children also. Moreover, one can have a glimpse at the different collection of books from yesteryears as the well-stocked library. Number 4. Chhatrapati Shivaji Vastu Museum, Mumbai. Positioned in proximity to the gateway of India, Mumbai, Chhatrapati Shivaji Vastu Museum was erected in the starting of the 20th century. It comprises of 3 main sections such as the archaeological section, natural history section and art section. Each section shows a variety of work of arts dating back to Gupta and Chalukya's era. Number 5. Shankar International Doll Museum, Delhi. Displaying the largest collection of dolls from wild and far in the beautiful city of Delhi, Shankar International Doll Museum has 2 sections exhibiting more than 160 glass cases from New Zealand, Africa, India and Australia. Moreover, the collection of dolls has been divided into 2 sections. One section consists of the doll gathered from New Zealand, UK, USA, Commonwealth of Independent States, while the other one is comprises of dolls gathered from Middle East, India, Asian country and Africa. In addition to the doll displaying different countries, the visitors can also have a glimpse of various collection of costume dolls representing Indian dances and tradition, pair of brides and groom also. Number 6. Salarjung Museum. An art museum situated in the beautiful city of Hyderabad, Salarjung Museum contains a collection of painting, textiles, metallic artifacts, clock and carving from various countries like China, North America, Egypt, Nepal, Europe, Burma and India. It got acknowledged as an institution of national importance by the Indian Parliament. The museum remains open all day except from Friday from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Number 7. National Rail Museum, Delhi. The National Rail Museum has a great collection of more than 100 genuine size displays of Indian railways. It is situated in Chanakyapuri over an area of 10 acres of land. There is a toy train that tender ride off the site on daily basis. Some of the other collection put on site are antique furnitures, working model, historical photographs, signaling tools, and more. Expect from Monday, the tourists can visit the museum from 9:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Number 8. Calico Museum, Ahmedabad. One of the most admired tourist attraction in Ahmedabad city, Calico Museum was started by Gautam Sarabhai and his sister Gira Sarabhai in the year 1949. It has a mind-blowing collection of fabrics ranging from prehistorical cloth painting to the gorgeous Indian fabric. One will definitely be fascinated by the spectacular work of art displayed at the Calico Museum. The textiles that have been put on display were once used by the Mughals rurals of ancient times, and these are well taken care by the authorities. Number 9. Dr. Bhavdaji Lal Museum, Mumbai. An Asian museum that displayed the decorative art collection of 19th century. Dr. Bhavdaji Lal Museum was opened for the public on May 2, 1872, and that time it was known as Victoria and Albert Museum. The exhibits at the museum are gratifying and giving a reflection of life in Mumbai in 19th century. Some of the collection including historical photographs, clay models, map and costumes. Number 10. Napier Museum, Trivandrum. Constructed in the 19th century, Napier Museum is the oldest museum perched in Thiruvananthapuram, the capital city of Kerala. It has got its name from Lord Napier, who was the governor of Madras. It houses a great collection of historical artifacts such as the Kathakali puppets, models, musical instruments, Kerala chariot, and bronze idol of god and goddess. Paying a visit to the Napier's Museum will give you a glimpse of rich culture and history of Kerala.